Welcome back. Check out this sad slime beanie. So I added this gem grab mini game to my game, the last Phoenix, and I was trying to figure out how to animate the gem. Maybe just do like a shimmer. I mean, the coolest thing I could have probably done was make it spin around like in a 3D way. I thought the quickest thing for me to do would be to just make it shine. This is the kind of stuff I love talking to you guys about on Discord. And thank you for everyone who tried to help me out and showed me how they would have done the shine. Your guys' stuff came out pretty good. You're putting me to shame. Oh, and by the way, we're having a contest right now, and you can win Monster Hunter Wilds. So go check out the Discord if you want to enter the pixel art contest. Even making a gem shine is kind of difficult. I'm not like a lighting master, but I did something very simple, which is to just have the shine go across the object. You know what I mean? Kind of like how in even in 3D games and 2D games, like objects that are like of interest or whatever, interesting, they have this like shimmer go across them. That's kind of what I was trying to do with the gem, but I wanted to kind of incorporate the shape of it. So as you can see, like the top left part, I made it be the first part that gets the glare, and then the glare kind of goes around the edges and makes it to the bottom right. And I know that's probably not very realistic, but it still looks kind of good, right? And I don't think we need to be perfectly realistic. Sometimes whatever is quick and easy or looks good is good enough. So I did 9 frames of just moving pixel by pixel across the top left side and then also the edges. And I wasn't really sure what to do with the bottom right, and so I made a darker color. And maybe that bottom part shouldn't have been dark blue. Maybe it should have been light blue, but whatever. I think it looks pretty decent. So what I do is I throw it into Unity, and then I like to do grid by cell count, because you just need to know how many sprites you have. And then you throw in the sprites into the animator, and here you can mess with the timing. Here's an example of what it would look like in the game. Oops. All right, so you grab the first one, and it starts off, and it starts a timer. And then within the time limit, I got 1 second. I did it. You can wishlist the game on Steam, or if you're super cool, follow the Kickstarter. Thanks for watching, and Dev Life. Here's some footage of me drawing the diamond for those of you who actually like to see how I draw.